everyone, what's up? It's me Maria and welcome to another Planzilla video. If you guys are new to the channel, thank you so much for being here and your presence is very much appreciated. Be with me so I can show you around our little lockdown garden. Ikaw, hanggang saan umabot ang quarantine gardening mo? Anyway guys, we moved into our new home sa kasagsagan ng ECQ. That was April 28, 2020. Correct me if I'm wrong kung hindi na ECQ yon. So basically lahat ng plants dito sa amin is bago. I don't know if it's a pink Congo or a pink princess, basta katas ng barter yan. And these are our newly propagated Philodendron Tricolor last July 17, 2020. Yan ang itsura niya ngayon. This is our baby Anthurium Junmani or the cardboard from Thailand. This is a cultured cardboard na nagta-thrive even if coconut fiber lang at saka rice hulls yung nakalagay sa pot niya. This one is also a baby Philodendron narrow tiger tooth from the last vlog na nag-cut kami and nakapag-propagate kami. So ito malaki na siya. This one isn't really familiar, but I think this is a blushing philodendron. However, you may correct me if I'm wrong sa comment section. Just tell me if you know this. Kabibili ko lang ito kahapon. This is also a baby Red Congo. So, I think this is a barter or just given for free. Basta naging amin na lang to bigla. Okay, let's move on to another one. My newest, Philodendron Brasil, which is kabibili ko lang din kasama nung isa. And also, our baby silver sword. So, ayan, 4 na dahon. So, magkaiba talaga yung matured one tsaka yung baby. This one has the matured leaves of a Philodendron Hastatum or Philodendron silver sword. So, ayun yung itsura niya. Hindi pa siya nagva-vine. Kabibili ko lang din kahapon. And baby Red Congo, which I got in exchange of the baby Philodendron Red tiger tooth that we propagated. And this one was said to be a giant moonlight, which I got in exchange of my black Majesty. And meet my baby Cobra Fern. I'm really not sure if it's gonna grow up that way. But since Cobra Fern yung sabi ng pagkabili ko, I trust the seller. This one's a variegated baby Dumcane. So, dolphin yata yung tawag. And this one is my baby black Cardinal. So, tingnan nyo. Don't be deceived sa mga nagpo-post na sinasabing black Cardinal. As long as dark foliage, black Cardinal yung tawag. Huwag magpapaloko. And this one is a baby Philodendron tiger tooth again. Kasi marami nga kaming na-propagate. Kasi mother na yung nabili namin. So, ayan. Ito talaga kinat na namin. So, this is the top cut of the baby na nandito. Ito yon. So, ang top nun yung na-transfer na sa ibang pot. Take note guys that black Cardinal is so sensitive when it comes to overwatering and direct sunlight. This is a baby dwarf Moonlight, another Philodendron. In this line here, you will see a few varieties of Calathea, Calus, Caladiums, Alocasia, meron ding Dumcane and Aglonema kasi konti lang sila because we were really focusing on philodendrons. And this one is my baby black Cardinal, super stable now with 6 leaves, actually turning 7. And the joy of being a plant mom is actually found in watching them grow. So I just misted this one, so kaya yan medyo basa pa siya. So kakamist ko lang sa kanya. This one is an Alocasia Corazon Aquino. I don't have any idea kung bakit this one is named after the late president. Let's hop right into the next one, which is the burgundy Philodendron Jungle Fever. I'm really not sure if this is right, but this is how it was introduced to us. So I just followed what the seller told me since I told you I trust the sellers. So ayan, the next one is yung chinelas ko bakit nandyan. And moving on, this is a Dieffenbachia. Is that how I should say it? Pero yung tawag namin dito talaga is elephant ear. So ayan, meron pa siyang ano ba to? Focus ko nga. Kailangan taga alisin yan. Moving on from that scary creature. Ito yung Philodendron Millenoni na nabili namin ng 600. Actually, hindi naman to sobrang liit ang nabili namin. But, ang laki ng inilaki niya ngayon. Guys, please, huwag nyo nang pansinin yung mga sako. Yun yung mga garden soil na ginagamit namin for our potting mix. This one is another Millenoni which we bought for 900 pesos. Sa tingnan nyo, sobrang laki din ng inilaki niya. So, nasa ideal condition talaga sila. And these are our giants. Sobrang lalaki. And ito naman yung baby Millenoni. So, this is a baby Miliona. Sobrang ganda ng tubo niya. Actually, galing to dun sa nahingi ko eh. Ito yung hiningi ko kasi parang mamamatay na ata. So, tingnan niyo yung mga dahon. Pero, it's recovering na, marami na siyang mga bagong dahon. So, 3 na lang yung luma, yung mga punit-punit. So, hiningi ko to just to save it. Unlike the setup of the plants that I have showed earlier in this video, talagang ngayon lang iniba yung setup ng plants kasi tumatama na yung sobrang init ng araw. After lunchtime, talagang natatamaan yung mga philodendrons, which is not ideal for them. And since pumpkins are better with sunlight, so sila na yung nakalagay in front of our house. So I think I have 11 pots of them or 12. Like philodendrons, these plants are toxic, so better be careful, especially sa children and pets nyo. And this one is our Philodendron Milanoni, yung inakala kong Popeye dati, so iba talaga siya. And also we have Anthurium Plomani. They grow through seedlings. So ayan, pwede naman silang i-cut, but for me, I prefer not to hurt them. Kung pwede naman palang hintayin na magkaroon sila ng bunga, which will help them propagate. So ay napakaganda nito pag lumaki. This one's my Calathea ornata. So sobrang tagal nang hinintay ko para magkaroon to ng bagong dahon. Actually, kala ko hindi na siya tutubo kasi we only planted 2 stems. So ayan. And this is my baby elephant ear kasi maliit pa lang to, and sure ako na stable na siya kasi nagkaroon na siya ng bagong dahon. And this is our green emerald, so Philodendron green emerald, bigay lang din to, kawawa naman yung dahon tong isa, tingnan nyo. So that was an old leaf. This one is Philodendron Phil or Philodendron Little Phil. So lumaki na siya to, tingnan nyo. This is also a separate line of plants. Meron kaming champagne palm, Pandanus, Picarra, Anthurium rainforest, Philodendron Selloum. Na pasensya na, huwag nyo nang pansinin yung pot niya kasi talagang maputik dito pag umuulan. And our newly propagated Philodendron Warsiwiziae. So yun, super stable na siya. Meron na ngang lumabas na isa pang ugat. Diyan sa, ayan o, diyan sa katawan niya, meron na. So ayan, this is our Philodendron Squamiferum. So tingnan nyo. Let's take a closer look at this stalk. So I think medyo hairy siya. That's how I see it. Ewan ko how would you describe it to me, but that's how I see it. So that's how I will tell you. So okay, move naman tayo dito sa gilid. So I'm showing you our vining pothos. So ayan, meron tayong golden pothos. Ewan ko ba't nilagay din yung marble queen na pothos dito. And this is our Philodendron Black Majesty. So ayan, tingnan nyo. So, yan na naman. Meron na namang magpo-post nito na Black Cardinal to. Hindi po. Kung hindi man to Black Majesty, hindi to Cardinal. Sure yan. And another giant. This is our Tobacco cardboard. So, ayan. Meron din nagsasabing cardboard class C or rainforest. But the last one that told me kasi meron din siyang ganito, Tobacco cardboard yung tawag niya. So, I'm so excited. So, tingnan nyo. Napaka-shiny ng leaf niya. So, ganyan talaga naman yung new leaf. And this is so big. And I believe that I got this at a very low price for its size because it's really big. So ayan, merong size reference yung hand ng asawa ko na nakahubad na naman. And shirin, my Philodendron Martianum. Fat boy, Popeye, fat belly, regardless of how you call it, I really love this one. And it has a new leaf. Okay, sobrang cute niya. So, legit na to. And this one is the matured Philodendron Silver Sword with a cocoa pole from the last vlog that I have showed to you. So, ayan, nakalagay na siya dito. If you guys are wondering where are the others, then tadaan! They're all in here. Because talagang ina-avoid na namin yung sobrang init ng araw. This one is our orange marmalade na green na. Ewan ko kasi talagang sobrang init niya and kailangan ko pa silang i-transfer every time. Ito na naman yung pinaka-mother ng tricolor na na-propagate namin last time. So ayan, with its new leaf na sobrang shiny. So kawawang kawawa kapag nainitan. Alam nyo na. As in, sobrang kawawa talaga nila after lunch. Yung mga grabing init nun, tinatamaan sila. So, talagang it's a good thing na tinransfer na sila dito sa gilid. This one's another orange marmalade. So, ayan. And our Anthurium Crystallinum, which was given to us last February 2020. So, ayan, hindi pa kami transfer dito sa bahay na to. Nandito na to. And ngayon, nag-bloom na siya. Sobrang ganda niya. So, ay napakaraming dahon. Let's take a closer look at the leaf na napaka-velvety. So, tingnan nyo. Oh. A perfect example of a look that you can feel. Oh, charot. And our very own Philodendron Xanadu. So, ayan, sobrang nagustuhan nito yung place na pinaglagyan sa kanya and yung potting mix. Kasi hindi pa nga nakakalabas yung bagong dahon, may tumutubo na naman na iba. So, imagine mo yun. So, sobra ito. Nag-bloom siya. Sobrang dami na ng dahon niya. I think it's about 40. And our Philodendron Narrow Tiger Tooth, which we featured in our second vlog. So, ito yung mother ng mga maliliit kanina. And ngayon, sobrang laki na niya. Sobrang dami ng dahon. And from that time, as I remembered, hindi pa talaga nagkaroon siya ng patay na dahon. Moving on to our colored foliages. So, ito yan. Ito yung Philodendron Tricolor na nabili ko na to. Sobrang laki ng dahon niya. And another one, a newly propagated one. Ito yung top cut. So, ayan, fully recovered na. And upright na talaga yung leaves. This is a Philodendron Golden Dragon. So, ipa-flash ko na lang yung picture kung bakit Golden Dragon yan. So, nabasa ko rin at na-research. So, ayan, meron siyang patubong bagong dahon. Also, our Philodendron Warsiwisiae. So, yung top cut, napakita ko na kanina. Ito yung base niya. And this one is a variegated orange marmalade na hindi sinabi sa akin ng asawa ko. Nung nabili namin, dalawa lang pala yung ugat. Kaya pala nilagay niya dito. So, ayan, naka-recover na to kasi meron ng bagong dahon. And I just got this beautiful black beauty. Kaso, isa lang yung ugat niya. I will flash the picture here. May papalabas pa siyang bagong dahon. Sobrang kawawa niya. Guys, please refrain from cutting your philodendrons na isa lang yung ugat kasi sobrang hirap niyang mag-survive. Although, I'm praying na mag-survive talaga to kasi I really love this one. This is so beautiful and I really love to have it at home. This is the base of our newly propagated philodendron. May dalawa ng patubo. So, ayan. And kasi pagkamalas-malas ko nga naman, nakakabili ako ng mga walang ugat. Feeling ko pa ang swerte-swerte ko kasi mga Choco Empress to. So, ayan. Ewan ko if this will thrive. My God. Sometimes talaga sobrang ano ko rin eh. Parang tanga-tanga lang eh. So, tingnan nyo. Oh. Ang gaganda nila. Malas lang talaga. So yun guys, I'm so happy that I have walked you around our little lockdown garden na pinagkabalahan namin simula ng ECQ up until now. If you have been an instant plantito and plantita this quarantine, feel free to share your experience at the comment section and I do hope that you could give us ideas what to do on our next video. This has been Maria, the voice of Planzilla Bohol. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel and click the bell button beside it so you will get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. Like and share. Bye guys!